Alright, so the next goal is to paint the center console. Just got it all out. This is weird maroon red, and so are the doors, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do about those. Let me just take those off completely, but I need my windows, so I don't know. And then also, I have my harness bar. Sorry for the quality, I'm using my phone. Got this harness bar, and I have the harnesses tucked down there, bolted down to the floor for right now. Unbolt them from the floor, undo that, and wrap them around there. Props to me, because I haven't had windshield wipers in this car pretty much since I got it. And boom. We got windshield wipers again, boys. Alright. Pretty much got this ready. Some weird like orange under this again. Whatever. Texture is weird. I don't really care. Should have used paint stripper. We just went ahead and sanded it. I don't know. Just took the little gauges out for now. Yeah. This might be a bad idea, but all I have is this engine enamel. I was thinking of using plastic, but it just peels. So that's all I got for right now. We're gonna try it on this plastic. Hopefully it sticks. I know this sometimes needs like a higher heat to actually like stick to whatever it is, so we'll see. I should have went with like a white or a gray primer, but clear coat did fine, plus all the sanding I did. It was like half bad. It's pretty smooth actually. Pretty happy with it. Just a little bit darker of a green than I would have liked, plus, I don't know if you can see that. Try to sand out most of it, but I'm also going to paint the little silver ring that goes around the gear shifter purple, but pretty stoked on how it turns out. So I was afraid that the engine enamel wasn't going to work all that well, but honestly, it looks fantastic. I mean, you can still see like the beveling from the previous paint job, but the paint itself is amazing. Super smooth. The green is great. I did the purple around this little ring thing. Gotta get a new knob. Kind of just comes off. But send it. Anyways, if you guys only have engine enamel, you're trying to do interior, it definitely works. I just bought this, and it came with this little bracket, and it just clips on. And I just drilled 3 little teeny screws in the back right there. I had these, but these are way too long. It was hitting the tranny tunnel for the transmission, whatever. As you can kind of see it back there, it runs all the way through back here, and it kept hitting it, so I just used very, very, very small screws. There's 1 screw here, there's 1 screw here, 1 screw here, and then that just wraps around. That's how I mounted this in the 350. So if you're like me and you bought these Tanakas, oh great, it's raining. If you bought these Tanaka 4-point harnesses and you're trying to use it around a harness bar, there's this little part that's like stitched together. If you just cut that, you can undo it and take this little bolt-on piece off, and it will still wrap around.